One bright afternoon, Jack was exploring his grandfather's dusty attic. Boxes were piled high, and the floor creaked with every step. But then something caught his eye. A rolled-up parchment, glowing with a mysterious light. He unrolled it carefully and gasped. This was a magic map. There were strange symbols and a message. Find the treasure, break the curse. "Polly," Jack called excitedly, "we've got an adventure ahead of us." Jack and Polly carefully studied the magic map. Polly flapped her wings with excitement. "This map is special, Jack. It's full of secrets." As they traced the lines with their fingers, the map started to glow brighter. There was a picture of a pirate ship, its sails black as night. "That's strange," Jack said. "I think the pirate might be guarding the treasure." Polly squawked, "Beware of the curse." With the magic map in hand, Jack and Polly sailed across the calm blue ocean. But soon, something strange happened. As they sailed past a mysterious spot marked on the map, dark clouds appeared from nowhere. The wind howled and the waves grew bigger. Polly squawked nervously, "It's the curse!" But Jack was brave and gripped the wheel of the boat. "We can do this, Polly," he said. Together they fought through the storm, their hearts full of courage. As Jack and Polly neared the island, a strange chill filled the air. Suddenly, a ghostly pirate appeared, rising from the ocean like a shadow in the mist. "Turn back or face my curse," the pirate's voice boomed. His fiery red eyes glowed with anger. The wind howled and nearly capsized their boat, but Jack held on tight. "We won't turn back," he shouted. With a final laugh, the pirate vanished into the mist, leaving only silence behind. Jack and Polly arrived on the island, where the jungle was thick and wild. They ventured into a dark cave, where the walls seemed to whisper secrets. Deep inside, they found a stone door blocking their way. The map showed a keyhole, but where was the key? Polly fluttered around the cave, looking carefully. "There!" she shouted, spotting a glowing rock. With a click, the door creaked open. "We're one step closer," Jack cheered. Inside the cave, Jack and Polly were met by a huge sea monster made of water. It roared, blocking their path. "This must be the Pirate's Challenge," Jack said. On the magic map, there was a puzzle to solve. Polly squawked, "Let's work together." Jack quickly arranged stones in the right order, and the sea monster disappeared with a splash. "We did it!" Jack cheered, and Polly danced with joy. At last, they found the treasure chest. It was golden and sparkling, covered in beautiful carvings. But the chest was locked with magic. "We need to break the curse," Jack said. He read the special words from the map, and suddenly the curse was broken. The chest opened, revealing sparkling jewels, gold, and a glowing gem. "We did it!" Jack shouted. Just then, the pirate's ghost appeared one last time, but this time he smiled and faded away, finally at peace. With the treasure safe, Jack and Polly sailed back home. The storm was gone, and the sun shone brightly on the calm sea. "We did it!" Jack laughed, with Polly perched proudly on his shoulder. As they headed back to Grandpa's house, Jack couldn't wait to tell him about their adventure. "I'll always remember the lessons the pirate taught me," Jack said. "Courage, friendship, and never giving up."